So I'm working on this Hunter fan. I just had to put the light kit on, and I was digging through just to make sure, everything was working. Capacitor, there you go. Here's the pull chain, just pulled it out. So I lift up the capacitor, and I see this. So, can someone please tell me what's going on here? 'Cause I'm kind of worried that this is a problem. I just don't want to have to replace the capacitor because I don't know how to do that. So, if someone could tell me what's going on here, then that would really be appreciated.